The Babiie MB22 is an affordable double stroller with a price tag of £199. Included in the price are 2 free cup holders and a rain cover. Each seat has 3 individual reclining positions, so your children can be sat upright, partially reclined, or fully reclined to lie flat. Folding the pushchair is really simple. Simply put the brake on and find the lever to release the frame. You then push the handles to collapse the frame forward into an umbrella fold. There is a clip on one side to fasten the folded frame into place. But there's no clip on the other side, so it makes it really awkward when you lift it up. This makes carrying and transporting the folded pushchair quite difficult, so if you have to carry it upstairs, it can be quite a challenge. Unfolding it's an absolute doddle. You just unclip it and then push the frame into place. And it's really light and easy to push and manoeuvre. The brake, however, can be quite temperamental and it doesn't always lock into place first time. Three-position sun hoods provide great coverage from the elements, but personally I wasn't keen on the embroidered bee on the side. The underseat shopping baskets were surprisingly spacious, and there are a couple of pockets on the backs of the seats for all of your essentials. I've rated the MB22 3 out of 5 stars.